Here's interesting app called Hoppy, one video to match. It's kind of like video dating app. It just says it only takes one video to find a real connection. 87% of users who post just one video get real, genuine matches. So you can imagine this app kind of as Tinder, but the main thing here is a vertical video introduction. And then you just post multiple videos of yourself, and then you see other people doing that, and then you match this way. So hop on, make one video, and let Hoppy do the rest. Hoppy is the app that lets you watch, match, and chat with people around you. Every day we drop a trending question. You answer, see what everyone thinks, and if you vibe with someone's response, it's a match. So turn on notifications, post a video, see everyone's answers around you, match with people you're interested in, start chatting and see where it goes. So here you can then just open the app, and this is how it looks like. Then you can see profiles just like that. And then you can see like preferences, you can see who you want to see, and then so for example, whatever, like, and then you have different kind of videos and different questions, and you need to answer these questions via a video. And then, for example, this is what you see, this like this kind of questions, but you record answer to them via vertical video. Has this little nice recorder, and then you have all these random questions as well. So that's about it. And then you can just tap to add friends. You can invite friends via link. You can then just see your profile. Then there is your account. In case you want to delete your account, you can just delete it here. You have your privacy. You can block users. Hoppy Plus. So if you wanna, you can upgrade for 1 month for $30. Not cheap apps. Preferences, and that's the idea. So this app getting some early traction because some people actually like video more than images. Also, the idea is that, with video, you can understand more if you have the vibe with that person or not. On the other hand, sometimes for people, video is already too much. So if they want to date, they don't want to see video yet. They just want to see a quick image. So for some people, it's not really working this way. But some people like it. Seems it's a new interesting trend. And so you can just go and try it out. Hoppy, one video to match. People seems to like it. So fun, the future of dating. I can't back in. Some people like it. So you can always just give it a try. So there you have it.